Hello, friends. I hope you are doing great today, and if you're not, I hope you are doing better soon. Just a few quick announcements regarding my channel and life and projects. I have a new book coming up in December 2026 with pagan portals. It is called Soul of Vellamo Journey with the Finnish Goddess of the Sea. It is about Finnish water magic. It is going to include stories about Finnish mermaids, the sea goddess Vellamo, the Ahti, the sea god. There is a section about saunas and sauna magic and sauna witchcraft. There are stories about different water superstitions and animals, flowers, trees related with water and water witchcraft and these particular deities related with water and all that jazz. And pre-orders for this book are now open. You will find the link from the description. And my another announcement is that I have now a Patreon page, and if you are into Finnish folklore, Finnish mythology, Sami myths, Baltic myths, if you like archetype symbolism, if you enjoy my artworks, my tarot readings, feel free to join me there. This year, 2026, in Patreon, I will be focusing mostly on the Finnish Wheel of the Year and all kinds of symbolism and history behind Finnish Wheel of the Year and all the Finnish festivals and some of the modern Finnish festivals and witchy stuff related to that. In 2027, we are going to go through the different types of väki and Finnish animism. So I will be chatting about väki of the forest, väki of the air, väki of fire, väki of the earth, väki of water, also väki of the woman, väki of the animals, väki of the trees, and väki of the sauna. We will go deeper into Finnish animism, belief for the spirits, for the reincarnation of the soul, how the väki can be found in hair, in nails, in eyelashes, in teeth and stuff. Which is going to be very interesting. And then in 2028, I think we will move towards to the Arctic areas and discuss about Sami myths and folk tales. And maybe then in 2029, maybe we return back to Finnish mythology or move on to Estonia and Baltic myths. We'll see. Those are some of my plans for Patreon for the next 2 to 3 years. So if those things are interesting to you, please come and join me there. I would love to have a chat with you. So you can join me at patreon.com/fairychamber. I will see you there. Bye.